So I am Behara Sai Keerthi. I am from Andhra Pradesh, Visakhapatnam. So I did my BTech in mechanical engineering from Andhra University. After that, I joined Amazon as a ML data associate. And while I was doing my diploma in automobile engineering, there I learned that automobile industry uses the data science field, research about what kind of trends are coming into the market and all of that. So that actually drew my interest into data science. So then I wanted to completely get into this field and transition there. So that is the reason I chose AlmaBetter. So the first thing that anyone would see is the pay after place, because as a working professional and also you are into an industry and you have a job, but it is important that you understand the importance of money and to be secure enough to join a course and take it without having any risk. And also the curriculum, I've researched about other platforms like this, but I found that AlmaBetter had a better curriculum that attracted me towards it. Firstly, the mentorship sessions, one-on-one sessions that we used to have with the career coach as well as the mentors that we have every week. They helped me build my resume. And after that, AlmaBetter also had this Utter Pro program where we were given the training about how communication skills and how to talk in an interview. So that actually really helped me to face the interviews with confidence. Capstone projects were really interesting, and also they actually gave me an approach to how to solve and also how to work in a group, the cohort based system where it is you need to interact with your team members and learn from them and also give your insights and work as one individual. That is the thing that really helped me. I would say that without any doubt, choose AlmaBetter. But you need to put in your efforts. You need to learn. Just believe in the system. They are just work hard, and they will do the rest.